Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Bruce Wang. In today's video, we're gonna do Robinhood episode 3. So every week, I deposit $100 into my Robinhood account. I do some research on stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, and I buy it and try to grow my portfolio as much as I can. As you guys might know, I'm heavily invested in cryptocurrencies, but cryptocurrency is very risky, and going into stocks is a lot less riskier than cryptocurrency. So today's gonna be a little different. We're gonna use the Robinhood web application. Let's get into it. So as you can see, I have $314.81 in my account. For the day, I'm up a little bit over $1. And let's look at some of my notifications. So this is what I have done in the past day. So after market trading just closed. It is 6 p.m. Let's take a look at this is what the Robinhood app looks like after stock market hours are over. Everything just turns black. It's pretty cool. It's like a night mode pretty much. So I bought FXI yesterday. iShares China Large Cap ETF. As you guys might know, I spent time overseas. I was in Cambodia, I was in Thailand, I was in Laos, and I've been to China a few times, Singapore. And one thing I know is that there is a lot of money in Asia. So I wanted to invest some of my money into Chinese companies. And I think that iShares China Large Cap ETF might be a potential buy. So I bought this yesterday. A little bit more about this stock. It tracks an index of 50 largest and most liquid Chinese stocks traded on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Let's see how it's been doing in the last 5 years. So there was a little dip here in 2014. It peaked in 2015. Another dip in 2016. Peaked again January 2018, and now is kind of in the average price range here for September 2018. 4% lower. The thing about the web application for Robinhood is that it gives you a lot more information. It loads a lot faster than the app version, and I find the user experience a lot better. There's a lot more real estate for like all this information here on the bottom. So this was my largest purchase for the week. Let's look at the second stock that I bought. It's really hard to, buy very blue chip stocks with only $100 invested every week, but I try to manage what I can with my budget. So if you guys watched last week's episode, you guys know that I invested in this one as well. So I bought another share of this. I want my portfolio to provide some dividends for me, and this ETF pays out monthly. According to this, I have a dividend payment pending here, which is about 14 cents per share. I know it's not much, but that's what I'm going for. I'll be investing in Invesco probably weekly, probably one share weekly, just so I can get that monthly dividend so that I can reinvest it. Moving on, my next purchase was GE. General Electric has seen a lot of problems in the last year. You can see that even in the last 5 years, you can see that it's been downtrending a lot. It is 26% lower right now than normal. Its average price is supposed to be $15.24. Let me explain this a little bit more. Every company has an estimated earning call, and the earning calls are highlighted in this transparent red, and what they actually do is highlighted in this filled out red here. So as you can see, for each quarter they come out with their predictions, and then they let you know exactly how much they made. So for half the year here, quarter one and quarter two 2017, they actually exceeded their earnings, but in the quarter three of 2017 they missed their earnings by a lot. Quarter four 2017 they missed it by a little bit, but this year they were doing a lot better. They exceeded their earnings, even though their earnings were supposed to be not that high to begin with. But we have to wait until October 25th to see the actual here, which is next month. GE also pays dividends, so I'll be getting 12 cents per share, and each share only costs $11.33 right now. This is a riskier stock for me, but I think that GE, in my research, I think that GE was one of the original stocks that were listed when the stock exchange first started, and I believe that they could turn things around. If not, I'm not heavily invested in it. I only have 2 shares here for $12. So let's see. This might be a good dip to buy it. If you look at some of the highlighted tabs here, 26% of analysts agree that EG is a buy. 26% is not that much. And over here, 158,000 Robinhood own GE. So GE is very popular, and they do pay out some dividend, decent amount of dividends. And I think that I'll be buying GE next week as well, if they're still on a dip here. So like I said, I like using the web app a lot better than the Robinhood on my phone. Robinhood on my phone, I usually just check it when I'm on the go, and actually I do most of my research on my computer, and I do most of my buying and whatnot on my computer. If you guys didn't know already, Robinhood has an incentive where if you guys want, you can use the link in my description and you can sign up for Robinhood yourself. And when you do sign up, you will get a free stock. So that is there if you guys want to try that out. So if you guys didn't know already, you can trade cryptocurrencies on Robinhood as well. I did a Bitcoin sell-off when Bitcoin reached $6,710. I sold off all that I had, which was a measly $2.50. So I was testing it out, seeing how it goes. One little thing that I noticed was that there's a bit of lag with the Robinhood app. If you check CoinMarketCap, it's a lot faster than the Robinhood app. So on the CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin was worth well over what Robinhood was saying on their application. So I sold Bitcoin at market value from CoinMarketCap, and it actually went through here. So I might test that out again and see if that works again. But that might be something you guys might want to try out. So that's gonna be it for this week's Robinhood. Stay tuned for next week, where pretty much I do this all over again. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode. If you guys made it this far into the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment in the description, let me know what you guys think. Again, my name is Bruce Wang. I'll catch you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.